Hi there, thanks for dropping by today. We're going to cover today how we can use Zoho Forms to integrate into your website. Now, this is one of our websites, creating services, etc. for Zoho CRM. And at the top here, we've got a button that says Contact Us, which scrolls down to this area of the form where we would contact us. So let's put in some details here, simple as possible. And just say we are keen to learn more and hit submit. Okay, so if we now go to Zoho and we go to our leads, and you'll see that Fred Smith has come in there automatically into our lead. And if we go to our email, you'll also see that an email has been sent to Fred thanking him for contacting us. So how do we do that? Well, actually, this part of the form is a Zoho form. So if you've got, and I suggest you look closely at Zoho One, which is unbelievably good offer for all the applications from Zoho that you can have access to. Using Zoho Forms here, we can design a form, and we'll just show you the form. Here's the form, a simple form, first name, last name, email, leave us a few words. You'll also see that the lead source is included, and I've included details of that, but that's not visible on the form. But I do pass that to the CRM application so I can see where that lead actually came from. So how do we make it look the same color? Well, once you have got the standard colors of your website, you can go to an area called themes, and on the themes themselves you can then apply the colors, and then that will be included in your website and it will blend in perfectly. Now, how do we get it into the CRM? Well, we've got integration set up here to various applications, and it's simply a matter of coming down here, selecting the field in the CRM, and then mapping it to the field on the form. And we can also upload records or update records if that email address is already in our system. So there's quite a bit you can do with the form as far as kicking off workflows, etc., etc. Also in the settings is where we would set in the Zoho form things like notification and thank you for calling us, etc. All of that information is set up on the form itself. Okay, so let's go back to the form and see how we would share it. So what we would do here is using these particular links, and for my website I've in fact used what we call an iframe. So you've got the various ways here that you can integrate HTML link, JS codes, etc. And I've used an iframe, and I basically have to cut and paste that into my website, and then this form will appear. So this is all very easy. We've also integrated an additional form. If you want to get evaluation, you can click here and it will bring up another form, and this time it will scroll through, pick up your address, you can select the software that you want to evaluate, and once again that will come into our system, it will notify us, and the customer will also get a response. So using Zoho Forms is a brilliant way to integrate well into your actual website and include the branding and colors that you've included. If you've got questions, we're happy to help at Cloud Solutions. You can send an email to us at inquiry with an E, inquiry@cloudsolutions.asia. Thank you.